we are writing a program on Python. So in this program you are going to learn how to define a function and using recursions in the program. So it's possible for you to write a programs calling using if statements, calling up the function for a kind of repetition of a particular set of statements. First of all, let's start the program by defining the function main first. So we initialize the variable to be used, variable n, and to be 0, and other variable to be also 0. So we can now input the variable now and convert it to integer to enter our value here. So now if our variable is equal to n, it should try to call back the main function again. That is, if it is n, it will call back the main function. So if it is not n, it will terminate, it will complete. So let's run the program here. So that's how to use the recursion system. So run. If I type any figure here, the program will be terminated. That's the end. So let me run it again. But if I keep on typing 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, the thing will keep on repeating itself. That is, we keep on calling the sub, keep on calling the sub, keep on calling the sub until I enter any other number that is different from 0 before it gets terminated. So that's how to write a program in Python, defining a function and using recursion.